again, Delilah Tunis. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, my next coaching video is breathing techniques, how to wake up our chi power. So that's very important thing, because if our chi power is awake, we can do fantastic things with our body and to other people, and we can heal ourselves. We never get ill again, okay? We get even immortal. So this is how to wake up your chi. The first thing what is important, I want to show you what is your chi power. How do I feel my chi power? When do I feel my chi power? Okay, so we're gonna start jumping. Then you will think, jumping? Yes, we're going to jump, because if you jump and you stay still, you will feel the tickle, the tingling in your body, okay? And if you feel this, that is your chi power. And after that, we can control it if we know what it is. If you don't know what it is, you have no idea where I'm talking about. So, we're gonna jump. I don't fit on the screen, so you will see my legs. But I just want to show you how to do it. So, okay. You jump, 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 jump. And let your body, like, leave it all very loose, okay? Don't force jumping, just jump and let your body loose. Okay, now stay still. If you jumped for 10 times, for example, you feel all the tickling in your body. Energy, that is energy. Energy is perfect. Same what you feel after sport, okay? You feel fit, you feel good, you feel like stress released, so that's what we need. The breathing technique I'm going to teach you is how to wake up this chi power without jumping, okay? And if you do this healing exercise, your breathing exercise, then you will feel healthier, you can heal yourself, even the worst illnesses you can heal with breathing power and with your chi power. So we wake up our chi power. In the first video, I showed you that if you breathe fast, then you feel high in your head. You don't feel... So this is a fast breathing, but this is a breathing power, okay? So this is lots different than breathe or like short breathings. No, that's what we don't do. Okay, we breathe deep and we breathe deep out, okay, with power, with strength. So even if you feel like you get a flu, then you do this exercise and the flu will disappear, believe me. Okay, we breathe in with the nose and we breathe out through the mouth. Breathe in and we breathe out. We breathe in and we breathe out with power, with strength, okay? So we breathe out all out of your body, all the oxygen. And we breathe in very deep and strong. And we breathe out. Okay, let's do this 12 times. And we do this 60 times, okay? So not 60 to 12, no, 60 times together. So like 5.5 times, 12 times. Okay. And keep a little smile. Yes, don't force your skin. Yes, just relax. You feel high in your head, but that's a good thing. This time it's a good thing, okay? In the last video, it's not a good thing if you get... But now it's a good thing if you get high, because all your organs and all your veins in your body, and even your brains get oxygen. Okay, so it's wake up this chi. You will feel the same tickle as that you jumped. Okay? Come on, we're gonna do it. 12 times. Okay, now you stay still and you feel you get hot. Okay, I get hot. So this is the chi. You wake up the chi power. So that's why you feel warm. So if you get cold somewhere, you do this breathing technique and you never feel cold again. So, okay, you feel like low in your head. And feel your body, feel it. Feel the oxygen rise to your body. That's the good thing. Okay, so now we use our hands and we bring the energy to us. And we push the bad energies, if there is any, we bring it out. Okay? Believe me, if you do this and after this breathing exercise you do like push-ups or you do like running the stairs up and down, you do it very easily. You have so much energy. So okay, so lose any bad energy and you feel good. Okay, this is an addiction. If you do it over and over again, you will start missing it if you don't do it a day. Okay, so you will feel afterwards you're gonna miss it. So then it's going to be like a lifestyle. You do it like a routine every day. So if you do this in the morning and in the night, wow, this will be perfect. Or even on a day if you're at work or just after the computer, or like in front of the computer, whatever you're doing, what kind of work, you can do breathing exercise every minute of the day. And this is perfect. Okay, so we bring it to us and we leave it out. So if you feel this energy, you can feel it through your hands. There are even people who can set something on fire with the heat of their hands. There is one man, I think it's a Chinese man or Japanese man, I don't know anymore, but it can make 200 degrees out of his hands. Is that not wonderful? You can do it the same. You can do the same. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and give me a dump and give me a like. Thank you very much. Bye.